In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get wool fabric in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you're going to begin by finding some sheep, and all you need to do to get some wool is to just go up to it and pet it. It's going to give you an option to pet it, just like so. And once you pet the sheep, it is going to give you some wool in your inventory. Now after that, what you're going to do is go to something called a loom if you have built it already. If not, you are going to have to build that. And you are going to need to make some silk fabric. Now, as you can see, you are going to need some silk thread, and for wool fabric, you're going to need some wool thread. So what you're going to do is you are going to go to the spinning wheel, and you are going to get some silk thread, and you're going to get some wool thread, and it's going to make you the actual wool thread with the wool that you have. Now it will take just a little bit of time to process, but if you have a lot of it, you can walk away and wait for it after that. Now, once you're done at the spinning wheel, you can then come and make some wool fabric, but you are going to need 5 of them. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.